my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing so good today. I'm super excited to share some incredible news, which you can already see from the title, but I'm going to go into a bit more detail with you. So I have been offered the opportunity to train to become a professional makeup artist, and as you know, if you've watched my videos for the many years I've done YouTube, every time I've done a makeup tutorial, I've kind of just created a look that I wanted to create, kind of worked my way through the process, but in no real professional detail. I've kind of just done what I feel works or what I feel is right, and I've used whatever brush I wanted, and I've gone in any order I wanted to go in, because when you do your own makeup, you know, there are no rules. You do what you want to do. But I'm super excited to have the opportunity to actually, you know, train to become a professional makeup artist, actually do this for real, and be able to really truly understand combinations of makeup, how to apply makeup on another person, which I've done for like friends and family, in the sense where it's just kind of really simple basic makeup techniques, but nothing really detailed, like no wedding makeup or anything like that. So for me, I'm really excited. Like I haven't felt this excited in a long time, and I'm so thankful to Online Makeup Academy for giving me this opportunity. It's amazing. They have a variety of courses, and you know, there's so many different opportunities that you can kind of delve into. And what's amazing is this is a New York based makeup academy, but they're now creating an online platform, and they now have created an online academy where you can train from anywhere. Like, I'm from the UK, so it's a really amazing opportunity for me to be able to learn from these incredible makeup artists and be however many miles away. So, I mean, of course, I would love to be in New York with them, just saying, but it's so amazing. Like, it's honestly really incredible, and I'm so privileged to obviously have the opportunity to do this. So already started. I've only started the beginning, which is why we've started this video. I want to get into the details. So we're going to be creating a whole playlist on my progress of becoming a professional makeup artist. I'm going to go through every module that's in the academy, and I'm going to film my process and my progress, what I've learned, and we're going to be doing some makeup tutorials on other people, and yeah, all that good fun stuff. So I'm super excited about that part. I have sat down and gone through their first module, so I just wanted to show you. So I will insert it on this screen right here. So you are set up with an account, obviously you pay the fee. There is a fee, it's an academy. I am studying their master makeup program, so that's the course that I'm taking, and this, I believe, is kind of a bit more of a broader first steps into becoming a professional makeup artist. Like, it takes you through things like sanitation, skin prep, basic makeup. Sorry, RJ is currently trying to play with my tripod. Things like glamour makeup, wedding makeup, doing makeup on older skin, doing makeup on younger skin, understanding different skin tones and things like that. And I think it's really exciting because obviously when you're doing makeup on yourself, you kind of just watch it a little bit. I'm kind of one of those people that at the moment, like, I have all the gear but no idea, and that's kind of how I really feel. Like, I've started their course, and I've just gone through their foundations, which is their introduction section of the modules and that they have, and there's even things there that I'm just like, whoa, okay, I didn't even think about that, because obviously when you do things just for yourself, you just kind of float. Like, it's not like at a level where, you know, it's not at a professional level, so it's super exciting. So as you know, I'm a mum, I have a full-time job. I'm currently on maternity leave, but I go back to my full-time job in just a short few months. I also own my own business, so for me, doing this on the side is going to take a lot of hard work and dedication, but I do feel like it's going to be so worth it. You know, I've always been one of these people that I'm a very much practical learner, so I have to kind of get hands-on. And I do feel like in this industry, and I think in the becoming a makeup artist, you have to do that. You have to get hands-on. You've got to practice. You've got to try it out on different people and different like skin tones, like skin needs, etc. And that's the only real way that you're going to really learn. So I am really looking forward to kind of getting stuck in, learning more, being part of this community. What's really great about the course that is that after every video that they share and every section of the module, there is like a community section, so you can speak to other people that are doing the course, you can see other questions that are being asked. I have asked a few questions, you can see here. This is the start of a really exciting journey for me. I don't think I can really convey how much I'm looking forward to getting stuck in here. I wanted to show you kind of my makeup look. Like this is a look here today. I'm going to show you how I create this. I am literally like a 3-product wonder. So the thought of using all these different products and kind of to create all these different amazing looks, which, don't get me wrong, when I go out I do use more makeup, but for my everyday throw it on my face situation, this is what I do. What I would normally do is prep my face with some MAC Preferable Prime, and I literally just put that all over my face. Not an attractive way of doing it because that just went in my mouth. I take my concealer. I am using the Typology one. I love Typology. I do that really bad trick of putting it on the back of my hand. Obviously, as a makeup artist, you would get a palette, which is what I learned, which I already knew, but I learned that on the tutorial, which is really good. I would take my blusher, I use nude sticks, and I take my brush. Another thing that I do is use different brushes for different things. So I know all brushes have a purpose, but I give them a different purpose based on what I like to use. Again, I don't know if that's something you're allowed to do as a professional makeup artist, whether you have to follow certain rules, whether you can make up your own rules. I really don't know. And then, depending where I am, what I'm doing, I'll put some lipstick on. So I've got some like lip balm on already. I'm just going to brush up my brows, which is just like with this spoolie. And then if I am going out, I'll put some lipstick on, and I'm using the Very Victoria Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and I'm going to pair that with the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Liner in the shade Los Angeles. This goes really well together. So that is it. Like, as you can tell, I'm really into kind of simplicity for myself, and you kind of forget about all this technique. I'm friends with a few makeup artists, so I do have people that I can kind of reach out to and say, oh, you know, what do you think about this? What do you think about this product? What are you currently using on your clients? So I do have like a friendship group where I can get some advice as well throughout this course, in person as well as online. I think it's exciting that anyone, anywhere can take this course, and at the end of it you can become a certified makeup artist and get out there into the world and start a new career if you want to, or do this on the side if you want to, or, you know, just go and fulfill a passion if this is your passion. So yes, thank you so much to Online Makeup Academy. I'm really excited to get stuck in, and part 2 will be coming next week. I'm going to be doing weekly videos. It just sets me up for success, especially obviously being a mum, a full-time mum at the minute, with an 8-month-old baby. It sets me up with trying to get organised and structured and to actually really push myself through this. So I will be uploading part 2 in a week's time, and then, you know, week after week after week until I finish the course. So join me on this journey because I think it's going to be really fun. Also, if there's any questions, you can put them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and you're just as excited as me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with your friends, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye.